Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so importantly for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. If today the first time you are coming across us or you are hearing our voice for the first time, we still remain your one and only, ever ready, bringing it to you as you all know. So my wonderful family, without not wasting much of your time, today I just want us to do quick.
Let's go now.
It's We are not going to. We are on a mission.
Yes, sir.
And our mission is not divided. Our only mission is to pursue the kidnappers out of Umunochi local government. To pursue the kidnappers and the security forces that are aiding them.
Yes, sir.
Our mission.
Right on.
We have already made our demands known to the government. We have demanded that this road, this is the Sochi, the Hube road.
Right on.
We have demanded from the government that this road must be opened within the next 7 days. We have also demanded from the government that the cattle market at Umunochi should be relocated. And the most important among others is that we are demanding from the government that we don't need the military checkpoint at Palma Junction again.
We don't need them. We don't need them anymore.
Please pay attention. And without missing West, without fear of any contradiction, they are hearing us, they are over there, they are hearing us. We are not here to confront anybody. We are here to mandate them to back out. We are here to mandate them to leave Umunochi within the next 7 days, vacate from this place. We have overindulged, and we want to use the building for other economic purposes. And if in the next 7 days they do not leave, they will get what they want. If in the next 7 days they do not leave,
7 days.
we are going to take laws into our hands. We are not afraid of them. A lot of kidnapping activities have been going on here. Right at the back of the military base.
Yes.
And we are not happy about that. And without missing West, we are indicting the military. We are demanding that they should leave. We are moving forward to Meru Junction. And we are going to stop movement in the next 5 hours.
Yes.
We want you to burn. We want you to burn. First one.
We don't need you anymore.
Share this post. Share this post. Share this video. Share this video. Share this video. On Akpotunda, Umunochi, Abia State. They can do you too. Umunochi na say. Nde me laban. Gadi kilaban. Ike agulanye. Anya na batagu no fuma lan. Ike agulanye. Ike agulanye. You to na sinu land me. Land. It is over. Our agreement. English language. I saw one more.
That brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you very much for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. Share the video and tell your friends about this platform, because the best thing or the best place for you to be is here. Turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop a new boost like this, you'll be the first to notify. Thank you once again and remain blessed.